Hello and welcome to the first bike review of 2020 at MCR Motorcycles in Wigan. It is 22nd of February and I am here today with Indian with the new UK launch of the 2020 Indian Challenger. A brand new motor for a brand new model in the Springfield Classic Blue. And I must say this bike is absolutely incredible. I've just ridden this as well. And with a new bullet seat, a new material, absolutely just sticks you in place so you don't slip and slide like you do on the old leather seats on the Chief models. It's a whole new style, a whole new riding position. It's actually a very, very comfortable position, with it being quite a high standing bike, with the frame being stood up so tall. But for someone like me, I stand at about 5'6", and I can happily plant my feet flat comfortably and confidently when riding this bike in a straight line or going around corners, even with or without the active lean technology, which is what this bike has. The bike is a 1730 something motor, which I'll mention in the description below. The overview of this bike, all I can say is from front to back, it is lovely. When the lights are on, it gives a whole new aggressive look. It just looks mean and beautiful at the same time, and I really can't stress enough how lovely this bike is, with the features, with the adjustable windscreen that can go up and down, to the ride command system, the dials, the speed gauge, and the infotainment system, which these speakers are here, are exceptionally powerful. I am just left with nothing but the biggest grin on my ugly face. Honestly, it's just truly wonderful. The most unique thing that I like about this is the petrol cap. You simply flip that, or when it's actually behaving, and it's actually, well, this catch here, I think it's because it's locked, which is clever. You flip that and it just releases this flap here and it allows it to slip open so you can fill your petrol in. Instead of normally twisting it, you just flip that and boom, away you go. Yeah, I really can't stress anything else really about it. So what I'll do now is I'll give you a sound bite of this bike so you can hear what it sounds like completely stock, and you can have your own view on how it sounds. But if I was to suggest anything else, I would say go to your local dealership or to MCR and come and ride one for yourself. Okay? Press the power button, screen appears, you press the ignition. Now that is a nice deep rumble. As far as what the microphone on this phone will be catching, I'm not sure what it'll sound to you, but it sounds personally to me wonderful. From the back you can hear that thump. If you stand up, it does sound different, yes. But all I can say is come and ride one of these for yourself and make your own judgment call. You could actually say come and challenge yourself with the brand new Challenger. Okay? There you have it. This is Dan's bike view at MCR Motorcycles with the Indian Challenger. Thank you for watching and ride safe.